When we use WPS Spreadsheet, we need to insert an attachment in the table to add a supplementary explanation. Take this table as an example. We want to insert a document attachment in the corresponding table cells to add more information. Select cell F2, click the Insert tab and the File Object button to select the document we want to insert. When we're finished, a picture of the inserted document will appear. We can adjust the picture to the appropriate size and place it in the cell. In order to make the attachment look better, right-click the attached picture and select Format Object. In the pop-up dialog, click the Colors and Lines tab. In the Line area, we change the color to white and click OK. We want to move column F to another column, but the attached picture doesn't follow. Open the dialog again, click the Properties tab, and check the Move but Do Not Resize Cells option. Then, when we move column F in this way, the attached picture also moves with column F. When we double-click the picture, the inserted attachment document will be opened automatically. The attached picture in the table will turn gray, indicating that this attachment is open. Did you get it?